Hello and welcome. Today, we'll take you through our audiovisual system integration capabilities and how we can enable a seamless audiovisual experience for your organization. Here's what we'll be covering today. We'll introduce our company, walk you through some of our key clients, showcase our expertise in AV solutions, and present real world case studies. We'll also explore our approach, the technologies we use, and finally, why partnering with us can make a real difference for you. At Puthur Infotech, we bring over 18 years of rich experience in IT services and solutions integration. We are an ISO certified company, which ensures our commitment to quality, security, and service management. With a strong pan India presence, we operate from more than 30 offices across the country, backed by a dedicated team of over 1,000 professionals on our rolls. We are proud to be a trusted partner for leading enterprises across various industries, delivering reliable and scalable solutions. Our deep expertise spans across AV system integration, facilities management services, annual maintenance contracts, networking, and managed services. Additionally, we are a government authorized e waste management company supporting sustainable and responsible technology practices. Over the years, we've had the privilege of working with some of the most respected names across industries. Our strong client base is a testament to the trust and reliability we bring to every project. At Puthur Infotech, we offer complete AV integration solutions from design and supply to installation and support. We specialize in tailored setups that meet each client's unique needs, using industry leading technologies to ensure reliability and innovation. Our ultimate goal is to help businesses communicate better, collaborate smarter, and work more efficiently through seamless AV solutions. We've been delivering AV system integration solutions since 2009, bringing over 15 years of proven expertise. Our services cover the complete AV life cycle, from consulting and design to implementation and support, all under one roof. We've successfully executed projects for leading enterprises like Wipro, ANZ, and Dell, and we partner with top OEMs such as Poly, Panasonic, Samsung, Cisco, and LG to bring the best technologies to our clients. With a strong pan India presence and a network of trained engineers across 30 plus offices, we are fully equipped to deliver nationwide. Our approach focuses on blending technology with user experience. We start with a detailed site survey to understand user expectations and how the space will be used. Next, we carefully consider design aspects like acoustics, lighting, control systems, and power planning. We then move to AV architecture design, supported by detailed network layouts and AutoCAD drawings. Product selection and integration come next, ensuring compatibility with OEM systems and close collaboration with stakeholders. We also plan structured cabling and pathway designs with all necessary approvals. Finally, we focus on smooth implementation and integration, working closely with stakeholders through testing, user acceptance, and go live stages, all under strict project governance, compliance, and security. Let's look at some of the AV system integration projects we've successfully deployed. From global tech giants to large public sector organizations, our solutions have helped businesses across industries elevate their AV infrastructure. One of our key projects was helping a client build their center of excellence. The goal was to create flexible, visually engaging lab spaces for their major technology partners like Microsoft, AWS, Google, and SAP. For this project, we delivered a comprehensive AV setup across multiple labs. The idea was to make these spaces adaptable, high impact, and future ready to meet the dynamic needs of clients' customer centric environment. We integrated a variety of display technologies, From large Panasonic screens to interactive displays and immersive LED walls. This multi layered visual setup created a versatile environment that supports everything from content sharing to collaborative design sessions. Another exciting project we delivered was the Social Media Listening Center for our client. We designed an AV solution that enables real time monitoring of social media interactions, allowing teams to track trends, analyze data, and respond swiftly to online activities. For this listening center, we implemented a massive video wall spanning 11 meters. This high resolution wall pulls in data from 27 sources simultaneously, offering a dynamic, real time view of social media activities, perfect for instant analysis and decision making. Displayed here are site images of the listening center setup. This was one of our most extensive AV deployments, covering 2 buildings and 20 floors. The project included over 350 AV enabled meeting rooms, high end auditoriums, and more than 120 centrally managed digital signage systems. It was a true showcase of our large scale execution capability. The technology highlights of this project include India's largest transparent OLED wall, a 12-meter command center LED wall with real-time IP-based monitoring, and a 163-inch active LED reception display that creates a strong visual impact. We've also implemented a centralized digital signage and media streaming system, along with a building-wide PA system for alerts and emergency communication. To complete the AV ecosystem, we provided a media streaming solution that enables live content sharing across lobbies, cafeterias, and meeting areas. This ensures that corporate messages and live events reach the right audience wherever they are in the building. In our command center projects, we have successfully implemented multiple video wall solutions using a variety of technologies, including LCD, LED, DLP, and active LED video walls. The project we are showcasing here specifically features an active LED video wall, which offers a seamless viewing experience with no bezels between panels. We designed these installations with precision using AutoCAD layouts to ensure a perfect fit and optimal functionality. The setup supports real time monitoring, smooth content switching, and is powered by IP based controllers for maximum flexibility and scalability. Now, we will look at the details of the transparent OLED video wall setup delivered for one of our clients. Experience centers are all about creating those wow moments. We installed transparent OLED video walls that provide stunning visual impact while offering see through technology. When no content is playing, the screens are fully transparent, seamlessly blending into the environment. When content is displayed, they become partially opaque, creating a striking visual effect. As of today, This is the largest installation of its kind, setting a new benchmark in both scale and innovation. These immersive setups are designed to captivate clients and stakeholders from the very moment they step in. This from the actual site where the video is being played. In this instance, the video wall is not displaying any content, allowing us to see through to the other side. Next, we will review the command center solution implemented for security control room operations. In critical environments such as security command centers, we implemented an industry-leading narrow bezel video wall powered by IP-based controllers. This setup allows operators to seamlessly monitor high-detail feeds from multiple sources with smooth switching and real-time responsiveness. By using IP controllers instead of traditional video controllers, which are typically bulky, heat-intensive, and power-hungry, we've delivered a more efficient, compact, and scalable solution. First impressions matter. That's why we installed an impressive LED wall at the office reception. It's perfect for brand messaging, welcome visuals, and corporate storytelling. We create boardrooms and conference spaces that are both sophisticated and easy to use. Our solutions include intelligent video conferencing, pristine audio, and intuitive collaboration tools that make meetings seamless and productive. In this boardroom, we use advanced technologies like the Poly Eagle Eye camera for speaker tracking, Biamp DSPs for crystal clear audio, and Sennheiser microphones for perfect voice capture. It's all about delivering the best meeting experience possible. For everyday meeting spaces, we focus on easy-to-use solutions like Logitech Rally systems and interactive displays. These setups encourage quick discussions, brainstorming sessions, and smooth collaboration, whether in person or hybrid. Our work speaks for itself, but it's always wonderful when our clients do too. We are proud of the positive feedback we've received and the long-term partnerships we've built. In summary, we offer customized AV solutions, cutting-edge technology, proven expertise, and a genuine commitment to enhancing collaboration and productivity for our clients. Why choose Puthur Infotech? We are your trusted partner for advanced AV solutions, committed to delivering quality and reliability at every step. Our team offers expert design and engineering to ensure optimal system performance and scalability tailored to your needs. We guarantee seamless installation and integration, minimizing disruption and maximizing operational efficiency. With our dedicated support and maintenance, we focus on providing long-term reliability and complete client satisfaction. Most importantly, we build future-ready solutions, systems that are designed to evolve along with your growing technological requirements. Thank you so much for your time and attention. We look forward to the opportunity to collaborate and help you build exceptional audiovisual experiences.